Mate, yeah. Mate, mami we say onye easy.
Eti de toso ye meyi na kire.
Oh, okay.
And na me kan Bible fa oba sabi dwamafo ba na. Okotu Yesu wo abura ne so. Aha, na okobo deru se wo hia Yesu nti ho na me kan Bible ti ho na enwom no ebaaye. Ti meyi na kire amansan. Ena de toso ye anopa nsroma.
Oh, okay.
And no bi eye worship. And then yame and I'm so the mammy. Or say, Mammy, son of person, man, I'm a new young poor sad.
Hey, Mammy, now one out on.
And you know, Mammy, meant nothing true.
Like it just coming because it's wow, okay.
I tear drop one, my trogu, I dear so.
Easy.
But I say, my tro, the matna say, I try, Yammy, there me at almost 300 plus.
Hey,
by being so, me phone so I me Troy, into Yammy Adom.
Hey, boom play pan si ho no e boom play on it on international you know e gunensano also you know ton be my nomination I twanum e be twanum be mienu bi
me test the voice
ko bia ntonyum ke be ye ka ko bia say wo tanyum na o yare e ko ye ba kokra enye producer sa e also ko po bi mami mpacho ai enye shine
the to aso bi mu ye waso ababebre eno last year council meeting Pentecost council meeting na ya district near ye 1 week prayer and fasting ti we any Monday na me be kwa aso me be kwa adwuma ena nyame this out enwom no bedu ti me saka ya pe na me for the ma prophet ameni ampon je wa ameni ampon
wow
so me nya enwom no so that's very prophetic. Timi Ratia no say enwum idi e be transfer nam so ye ba hanche transfer say oh yeah obi e council meeting what paper be ni transfer no say me ka kire o ti no na say she asofo na e be transfer mu ni nkran aha na e ka say be bi odo be ko bia obemu afefe enti na say nyame hye nkran say
you can one near transfer
I just say the whole word Church of Pentecost transfers na
enti to be do free UK bagana de na mama no say o ye 3 stanzas
o mbagana na na de bi fi ha ba ho ba say no bi mbanti Europe na nkasa
no bagana de o tiati o shine yay
tine to be say fa ho tu nyame so fa ho tu nyame so bia be ko bia be mu afefe onyame be gu sunsu asen kranche
me wa no pansroma wa ha shine bona etiefo entie mami nsano enwuma kakra ane anopa ensroma mami ye gayo o se ekoje le so no ha anopa nsroma na ebo no muntie mu west no mami na ho ananya me eboa no na nya me yi nyama kire ne sa sewa
no personal mana medio nyampuesa de chinye amisha sana 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 personal mana medio nyampuesa de chinye
ubenya senes awo panie na uchese wosa tonyum di ahye unkrai ene hospital ho de mi nya ho ahye Mira, Sapuma me, Felicia Wiseborn. Mami anyasa na odini ti
pacho midiano no me.
Nyamisha. O panini na wo tonyo.
Imani we free is. Eno nyama konya tna so mame. Aisha be so brempo. Baye dia ni hweme. Ekoso pemu ni menim. Meka kwa punya mwe mame. Na masum dua nsia me kwan. Baye kugu onwa ni fi menim. Ma o say yemyani fi menim
na bedwani o
matna sie na matamfu hu menim fere mame sentwa nim kwasie mu imani wa free esumu meno nyama konya tna so mame aisha me sa brempo ayedie nani nani hweme enkoso pemu ni menim meka kwa punwa mu mame na masum due hia me kwan mai kuku onyo ni fi menim Ma say ye nyani fi many me kunim dear mama tnasie na mata fu many fair mama says no personal mana many onyam puesa de chia
mama says no personal mana many onyam
and onyam puesa de chia
me be chanyu mo shine kaho Mommy, yeah, that was say. When you me denya me in show me pet gospel I tire local. Me tade bomb pie anopa any anajo. Yeah, I am sanipa. If you listener, yes, see me do become a playlist on that note. Na infana menye bi will be TMA so infana ye benya sanyu we be ADT or digital platforms.
Me ba chwane mami.
No be o UK dey need digital so dey na no dey say no. Wait till we get. Okay, Pacho ye benya bi o baby a.
Me pa chan digital platforms ni nyina okoso a obenya bi o.
YouTube
Pacho ni nyina o.
Okay. Me da se pa na ene mami nyame sho na say me fan say say owo hwe obi hia for programs so e kwan be na ye befa so.
Okay, so be here me pay
me ni plenty kito na me so be so obeto yo wa ma so say me de ko shine me ko first call way
enye nyame den nyame start me di pay for nyesika nyina na edi
of course
say ko ba say e see e buy be ba support
Mate but mejo number I think say me producer wo number
me pa cho shine
no mama number okay mejo number you can do say me be sra wo
nyame shra me pon abi
amen because me ba me boduku ana na say me ba me fa me wig ne mba no
na say me boduku
okay
duku na enye
enka me say me fa wig ba me mpa wig di abana e bi say me ko asafo ma me onti yes me ma me nhya wig nyame show mami and your topic I eba be kan me pese utu ye fo kakra ansa na wa sorry so and asema ye kan say as a Ghanaian young woman maba wa ye wo Ghana ha no kwan be ne be fa so ye betimi survive. They say them who say niam e koso and the crowd de ni esi cra chin da hey asifumbo enye easy o into surviving as a Ghanaian young woman mami advice be na wo edema ye Ghana youth a wo mutie osise teach you ne emabawa
yo nyame nhira mami say abrabo ne bokoye nim ti se wo ya abayo na wosiso a pomodin aso butumi akosku uko square dan ya benya adwuma ye wanya bi anya kura dan ya nimde na wosua no ebebo akwan bi so obo no betumi awie school nya ni nyina no so benya aba adwuma ye betumi akwakoye kua because your farmers are almost so educated now you are just so me nya adwuma nya nti me bobrabo ne a eno de emboa ti mesre pi se mabawa na yesiso no yenhwe social media do bia ye edu baby nti ese me pepre me ho na me so me koduru ho abrabonye mrikatuo kakra nyame edu bedu ho na wonso kakra wonsa so mu no watumi ede abobra ti me futu a me de be mama ba no se ni awo no hyase ne kakra nyame begusunsuo ama na yekese
nyame shroud amen mami nyame shroud pa into major okwan. God bless you so much. Me cry some kai cry come no. I was me so me to me ko to dwemu because mami enough form. Sometimes no be o cry enye ne fault. Ebo a situation no enye easy o. Nti mami se munya abotre. Wonim kwan mami fa so e de bedru baby a wadri. Wo mami wo TV so am say I want to be like mami. Ni o fame no ye do fame anka o si nyina etutu. Nti e si nya abotre I mean nya abotre e step by step mami eno na youth na nti ase. Ai nti mami ye beda wase.
Beda se mami.
Yo.
Nyami nshira.
On shira was so. God bless you so much. Mejo number. Na ma fro na you can the mamba kra me yare. Mate. Thank you so much. Busiafo asida kese pa enkoma asafo mame Felicia Wise born nenyom na wutie enyoma ehye cry o say obetimi enye bi on all digital social media platforms nyina eso na back to your topic enyama ekoso ensemo esisi ye busa say as a young Ghanaian woman ababaawa wesi so young woman and over 40s 50s munyina ye nyina ye ka ho bi enyama ye din enyama ekoso ewo ye man aye wo mi inti ekwan be so na ye fa ye survive enye easy o ensem no do so we be ka setima na medjuma say emema no kra ma ye BP mpochen enyama na ekoso na say chese troubles ensem no do so na mema ne de no so aba be fra say enyama me mbesa me na meka minimi nuama miensa ena ebetwetwe enkomo me wo Benedicta Etienne or your beauty therapist ni makeup ne kora echere ane and me wa Miss Agatha Bauer honestly a business consultant honestly dressing ne kora so a business consultant and Auntie Bella also a life coach ne serious no kora so a life coach was life coach the woman ane ono aka so wo coach you that auntie no I don't know be muna ane ebusia me mama kwaba e de ba YENMMƆ NKƆMMɔ so
yeah.
Sweet ladies in the house.
Yes.
You ene YENMMɔ ni na ende de minim say unim say your topic bi ya emema nko ane frɛ na ese etwi mma no any what topic bi so edura emma nko ane frɛ etwi emema no e says ende de minim ni ebetwi ni mom because minim ni mobile back it depends on where you at home ain't no and asema ye can say Potokasi, how are you surviving Ghana today as a young woman? You live in Nigeria. Inti yensha say our life cuz say easy o. You say just say so we send this madam be said ma. So me send this kama ma me okay cuz me for card akoma me say be sister 2 cities see na hit o me for car e this gonna question about 11 just say anyways my member back Auntie Bella me shall see feel so
yeah
when I we life coach you know okay how now we survive say I woman e kwan be na we survive as a young woman
okay
we share na yati
tima me da se ne akwenya we mame misachi ya yetiefo nyinara ene omamutie Bella tima me say survive ne de ye memu ha na enye easy mintu kwanko echichi ba minim se bi mu survive ye wo hodia but me am te Ghana ha de enye easy as human being wo we are living thing we need certain things be ma ya survive ye hia good health ye hia shelter atare e be hia aduane pa ye bedi health wise no kra no e wo se ya pomudin no esipisita na chese ama wa setena mu wa brabo mu ewie peye na se me survive tima say me amejuma
okay
so I think so as a young lady ne die ubetumi a e wo se opedwuma bi na wo ye
ho no na ayankofo be brain tiase because ena no obi be ka say or the 30 cedis so say 300 cedis and or the start a business and asisia no wetimi si dan why enti in the youth no omo mindset ne say oh me kuta 300 cedis e kra mitumi ye bibi but omo refi say consistency enso so eka ho e bia nipa ne kai wan chechum yo wo he we a life coach me pese ene no wo bia wo tie ye no by the time we are done with this show now we nya bibi e de frame cause show ne fapem ejina eho inti no what as a life coach say business ben away
me a beautician by profession
okay e kwai ben na wo fa so I will be a beautician
okay
ene
Okay, me personally ne dear. Nanka me see so de I want me person me secretary. E wo many so mu share here on ade nan.
Secretary.
Yes, boss.
Secretary.
Yes, boss.
Sit down.
Yeah. Yes. Not just say my smart me share me pians na me kwa na just say me look very smart.
We shall heal.
Yes.
Hey.
But along the line no my sister hairdresser.
Okay.
And no me we school me kotena in China me ko school kakra.
Secondary school?
No, yeah me we JHS no.
Okay.
Yeah. And man ko secondary school.
Oh wow.
Yeah, me computer course big na man kete we kakra ya say 2 months 3 months na makoya kakra sa. And my sister to kwan one day ba akra. Na no we be a saloon. And no score di jam na ya sa. Shop in so si wa me hwe na na pa bia na me say no. I was say me start ejuma. Meanwhile me nim ye. Nti me be a shop no. Yes.
What's the shop no?
Yes.
Hey, we near ding.
Me be a shop no. Ti omo ba. Sister Jane wa himi be miti. Me si oni ho betena se.
Hey. I want to when kru crofo tiri ho.
Yeah, because onim na odre na kra me kai ma me nurse ni. Da bia me phone uniform o sa kwahye foforo ba. Me dware ni yie. Ose bella me dware dada me say dware o. Eh dey aye joke. Ose
awo wash it say na wo sister ehwe no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah no na wo hwe
ni mani. Ti me shampoo ti ne ba don't know. Ne wo nyina be fo. Na me do say me say titi na. Rollers na tough up na fini tough up na ose bella. Me see me mapo me ho wa kransa me ba o. Hwe ahedwuma na mumu hu so nti no e di anodesa say jaye market. Eni edin. Nti
wow.
Me ye ne ho fo a me pa o cha o sink basin na enye yie. Wantina si yie me fa blame ne kakra na mama o kakra. Na ya che.
Uzu bi fa ne nyina sa.
Dabi. Me se wantina si yie. E baby nso na kire o se ne na akonwa na em se ma Justin yie. Na say ya che na ya sere. Me we magis kan pepe mente so te dia me sister je no. Pepe. Na magi. Me kwanya me bi wo ho me ton bra me sister kra no. Enti me sister che o di be 2 weeks. Enti oba back no o say na me dwen wo ho na sika ne sa so ya na me si o ma ye adwuma me di kakra won sisani. Hey, she was so surprised and why mun e better na sma me yo mutima o mo. So she was so surprised. Enti ya ba back to Accra nche. Ye bedu Accra the same thing ade obeye no bibia so CD enti otu kwan ko UK. No say ni senior bi mbehwe ne shop ne ma no bae no ye wo time mu no nya shop. Enti ogusu kakra akra ni senior no di ja ho no wa ma. Oba Accra so benya client e woda akuman obenya client pa nti otu kwan ne Friday Saturday weekend aye yeti nti o master start say omo oba ahansu biom na misi wo hokra de ma ye na je say menya experience ne kra kakra ene hansu mi di gina emu ene obehye we won na o conro no me born run baby be si bia last stop the pamo so me corner run na baby e be wie bia esi ya na je say we won ya share wi I was so surprised say omo admire any so much. Wow. Yes. Omo admire. And
one kosua
dabi.
Oh, okay.
Enti me buy no bi ka chem say course bi languages bi enti me koye Dutch kakra. And okra me hu super pebia. Enti me ban ma be ye adwuma no customers ne ba o sister wo hin na kakra. Ebi wo ho a they are devoted and then omo pe baby omo yeti no. Woni okra no product ni nti no. They don't want to go anywhere.
Oh wow.
Enti na they keep coming. Enti me yes afi dey say oh, you're very busy. Into gradually na me store no. And me bubu baby, me BMU, and my 2 money na house, a modern saloon. Say. Na me be who say no. Me shall send me full say hairdressers at school dropout. And think kame kra dear, me pay hairdressing. In fact, obi share me come and kame ka Johnson san kwa debium. And ya no crap, but I realize say my be fall in love with the thing. Here is the case mini certificate.
Wow.
Yes. Nti one day metie FC o kasa no ka am a cosmetologist then am say na course we e wodin de e brofu din say and say din we dem be say me di bi to me ho so
and akoye
na me pursue course ni bi
wow.
Na me cosmetology course in beauty therapy massage everything me bibia and then me back boss me shop to say bibia change ye
I'm just say Tese my own say my yes so surprised because obebe hu me pese me yet to say madam what's no being changed. You know aya se mutia na mo so mutie the good side na monkai se wo mo hyase free baby ho na use no we forget madam no oni obi net na ye na se na no sister neti enye se ofiti ana obeye madam mesa aba also me pause on that na menko Miss Benedicta and so no so ye CEO of Men's World Spa Auntie Bella we entrepreneur they say one waden yo my main Miss Benedicta so kakra na me wi amaba Auntie Agatha and so no so a CEO of Bauer Consult or a business consultant enti a shine business ya wo hu si wa boka say hwe and they power chenetina ho na kire ne niam no wa to akele ole nya wa to bi so anyi enti Miss Benedicta good evening darling let's say okay pacho wo so beka wa hyase kitu bi dia che ninya ye de motivate you no say nya so fiti na wo share bone straight o aha ye na meboa yes ti pacho wo so ka wo dia ka crazy train
okay you don't make us say media sedama nyame because in as much say ye adwuma den no nyame na den abedru nya ye bedru
of course
I think say nyame
amen
and I'm a business person like me Ana me pay business I want ade sikaba
me am sure kwa we sika na wo si ho no
if ade sikaba and ade so ya me fair you know so and na me pay life kitu e bi sa so ade kitu e bi am de be ya me hu bia you know everybody wants it so I was with my grandparents e wotakwa intino me we secondary school no I am by FC Beauty Carry that's where I started so from there no and me attachment na salon bi kra or esro ha baby that's where I started
okay
so a few hono and I started with a beauty salon but everything I trained the youth obi o willing but there was too much frustration.
Hey, frustration. I did not bear my be frustrated.
Oh, no,
well, sure, say, you bear my be na frustrated. Broken heart to me, my year, you know. We are you, my crown to Sawabre. Yeah, yes, more janka broken heart in where you be that?
Oh yes, right.
Yeah, so not to say.
Patch me be that. You were used to see me dante ya. Nampesa me nanti back.
Hey, and so and out to me kind of asre.
So then I closed in bar shop on so and I made a men grooming, that is Men's World Spa.
It's men grooming or spa homo ya day and men man kwane wo
meka se mbema ya 90% and mbema
and so be massage bema na be massage
acho me ana me massage
na mbema no so omo ya day
mbema no mo yiti ye pedicure facial
and mbema na ye pedicure e be ye facial
no I do that and I have other ladies so her
it's men ninti na me bu say Men's World
yes my motive was for men but you know Ghana there
now because shine be me say me na hu nyina be twitwa shine be me pedicure
no you want bema they are very good very very good me cry me ye me tia me prefer say bema be because they are very good at it.
No.
Oh no
I see
yeah
ba wo bi ho
mpa say
so mu nyina eja ya no mo
ho
ayo mate ayo me sa ba so me da see ye tie piece and bit of OPR so that by the time it may be your phone lines will be motivated cry answer kai say YENMMɔ NKɔMMɔ and I'm so egusi by your live and we on Facebook page Adom 106.3 FM we bet me share my down for be on so ma on down for be a share na nsema ekoso hade esemweni and say yena ye be catch you me read messages no nkofo more you more fans ani okay nti mama call Miss Agatha Bawa oye CEO of A Bauer Consult Auntie Agatha me ma akwaba mami ben mic no mami wa
yeah my tree is bad so I'm going to combine the tree I'm trying to do more of tree anyway
hey I like that anyways. So Auntie Bawa, also maybe I will share say.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. And I want to say
Mami Ben. Mami, who are Danny?
I'm not now.
Oh, okay. Into we know number 8 and 7. Say number 9 always. Into we number 8.
Number 10.
Number 10. Wapim.
So me say me charity for you now. And with my experience, I think when I was 18 years, I was a wife.
Hey.
And when
Mami, who were
at
at the age of 18?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Time I call school, I call Bemanese secondary school bus.
Oh, okay, minibus, yeah.
And I wanted to be a lawyer. As a child, yeah, when they ask you, so yeah, they're going to say,
oh, mom was a doctor, Nina, only baby or more.
So, me read CRS, literature,
general arts, general
sure.
arts.
But along the line, I lost my mom when I was 16.
Sorry.
Then I lost my grandmom, who was also taking care of me.
Hey.
So me read school. I realized I needed security. That was the reason why I got engaged and left my family house.
Hey, wow.
Yes.
Now you feel secured.
Yes, sure. So, but my grandmama, time of the very day we cry, or could job of Accra, ebe go ni shop at 71 years.
Wow.
So it means that because she took care of me, I have a lot of
responsibilities.
Trading skills in me. Naturally, I saw her buying and selling from when I was very young. So as well as I couldn't go into the law school, so after my first child, the second child, then I did a certificate in advertising and marketing. So I started saying me freelance marketing for all the TV and radio stations in Ghana.
Oh, okay.
So because G advert now me call, me give me percentage because I had the bargaining chip. So I raised some money and opened a communication center. Started the American Embassy.
Oh wow.
Through that I opened a snack bar. Then a food joint.
Oh wow.
So what I'm trying to say is you always have to start from somewhere.
Onye say ufiti ya na obebi a snack bar no.
And you must have a goal. I realize I'm a very good cook. So sometimes your hobby can be your profession. When times becomes very hard, what do you hobby? Adani because
I idea would do
your passion to bet my year. I realize me feel na obia no aduane. They are full of fancy and gas.
Okay.
The fancies love cooking, gas love food. So together, me won say if you feel near aduane pa, I started cooking and selling. And to me no na me dey chef freezer. I freeze it to stew the soups and to So then I started hosting a program on Sinafric changes. Okay. From the Sinafric was given to Aladi Chocho, Mustafa Otiwati, and I became the CEO. So then, the general manager. As the general manager, I was able to raise a lot of money because my business in Kosu and I'm so I'm like, why don't I open my food joint?
It is still no worry, mommy.
No worry.
Still worry.
Yes. And I will pay me restaurants in the month. Then I realized me back to her waiting 4 years not opama day.
Hey.
All this is not opama day money mate. But me sure me mamichi at the palm wo omansia, a tibo wo omansia. So I'm like, why don't I open a fabric shop so that in the future my daughter can come and take over? So my baby, my name in a nutshell, I've done a lot of things. Now I'm into consultation because I feel I have the knowledge for that. I went back to the university. I did business administration. I have a lot of experience. So when I'm giving you consultation and your book mu diepe, then also to survive, I think you can't do one work. So what I do is I teach people how to cook. There are a lot of people who are about to get married, they don't know how to cook. Yes. So they come
Madam
to me. You don't fault them sometimes. So I give them one-on-one cooking lessons.
No, wait.
Me family boom. Because on person will be who say obesia eduane.
Of course.
So just a 1 week course. But no any secrets. Now I do that and I do the consultation as well. Now before you can survive in Ghana, one work or one job can never make you survive.
Ebusa for mutie die. Auntie Bawa semen kan chemo say. before obetimi a survive wo eye enemre mu ayewo levi abrisui ejuma ba ko
levi de wa bosupa o
akomi dedem hey want to be survive you enti my next question is my membra Auntie Bella.
Yes.
I mean, bra ho mesa ba mu nyina so bio.
Okay.
Edian na as a young woman, wo hia na wetumi dia surviving. Me busa asem no.
Alright.
Mo sorry a Snapchat udware wie. Chana tari utwa picture no dia to Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Like no, emma osika. Oba be catch you say I need a job. Mami for example we abaywa bi be catch him so page ma oba me DM no be catch him so page me. I like people they are willing to, because mami obi are genuinely no page ma no abaywa be catch me de and me compare one of marketing for so catch me that say to my case say obi be catch you we are here and I made the number ni man oh obe da ma si nyamisha me wo wa be 3 weeks na marketing for fam no city ma na so far enkofa odi omammo me nipa 2 pe I gave them over 50 people nipa 2 pe and to me survive that day yes girl na recently obeka chem so page man no say ono on to me and namu busebusa nkofa. I think it's about product awareness that they are going to pay you. I think it's 1,500, but the fact say obenante akwa office akwa products no asem no say ejuma no too much for her, and I say wow, what kind of lazy youth na about you say? Then how would you survive? So she came back. Say no name say confirm my information. She came back and told me say, oh Auntie Tima, ejumani baby on am say stop lying. I hate lies. They have already told me. Honestly Auntie Tima, I need a job that I can wear a dress and I go and sit in the office. Na AC wo ho. Just say AC no kan cry na cool me. And I say, hey, ni fiti ya net na AC mu ye ejuma. Oh no. Ufie kwa mpo AC ni ho. Then you are looking for a job at AC wo. You say AC ni wa be 19 onye. Mommy. So then mommy, it was just by the way, but I was really disappointed. I won't lie to you. In time we be catch him so page makra. I don't know. Say me man nipa ne aso be kwa ko gu me ni mas.
Apparently nipa na o man ejuma no. Ene ejuma na ope o. She wants to belong.
Yes.
Of a sort, she turns like you in few months. And yet, Jumana woman no so
I've been in this industry for 15 years.
On him say it's a process, it's a gradual process.
15 years, me started 19 years when I was doing movies. Kakra. They don't know the journey.
The social media say
Yes.
That's what she wants to be.
Instead of make her say when we tell our stories, we should tell them from where we started from, so that they would know. Honestly, of late, or say me start say shine ejuma no or say come me consultation. Now tell me video. Na me chucha asie ni nchromo. Why you ejuma ni
to that rank?
No, they would have to. They would have to. Now one come out be that survive. Hey, survivor of the fitness and no woman no. Auntie Bella.
Yes, dear.
It's in pacho a day na I was say as a young woman ababa wa wo tie no. Enyama ben wo hia obetimi e dey survive. E wo enemri ma ye wo me.
Me that's
iPhone 13.
Ababa onye no. Ndu. Ababa wa otie me de. Ohia sika. Ohia gidi. Ohia so self confidence. E was so onya. Now for communication, I was so a very good listener, and then onto me communicate well. And then be konenim because so was sikano. Now start here jumano. Ube koni panayase. Now ni na kudi nkomo about we jumano. Minima dia opese we if it's product na opese utonwa ube kasa. Enti sebe se wu ni mukasa ube starting so emfa nkusiaga. Afi wu ni confidence ayedi ye juma. Se me de me ho example it was my confidence and ma me to me ye ni ame ye no because man panic se me be panic ya client knows no me di mitima no be say no nti onye ba me assure
ne say na ye bo nti so o ka bibi na say oni ni nya adwen ya mpacho join it because ye monkomo enye onbo nkomo ye monkomo
me mom say ade ni minimi ye na maka to say akra ho no kra me ma po me ho ti onim say ni ogina ni ti no zankasa ye madam eno ye confidence because me dia kukuduro ena ye ni ame ye no ena afi me start ye ne de me nya ni smooth kakra because na ejuma no ya ye but me ba Accra and there was no salon, but dryer bi wo ho a eboa me and I me dey start here. But the me abedu echi because me so me discover me started school now it wasn't easy. Me ka say me me ye course no obi hu me say me nso mako school me was certificate we ejuma me ye. Now it wasn't easy because the whole week me ni ejuma mu. Ye benya me ye Saturday Sunday. E ma me client no almost so tie ye. E tie ye no ejuma no school ni very demanding, you know. Every week, sometimes every day. There is practicals. Nyama ubeto udu mokola. Ukita that time ni esika kra 100 Ghana kra tis okra 1000 Ghana.
Wow.
No kra nyama no entokota. Into our best friend bia oto we ya na uwato we. Oto we ya na uwato into mo ba na mo chene kakra. Hey, yes. Sometimes u ferry poso obeko class because ejuma na ye ba be ye na nu uni wakade. And when you like now what teacher be a guni penny mas kakra unko class. Hey, but me catch na me munyam say me fail me class da. Me ni be cry me because now was very good. Adia me and suddenly no ma fall in love with the thing. Oh, there is this passion a follow adia na me ye no. Enti so mo ni passion for adia na unto me nye. Ye faw ne ade ukosi adwuma na ye kukuru sika bebre kura ma na wonni adwuma ni mu do a adwuma ni begu still adwuma ni begu still e na yenso bibia ye mfe ye man especially bibia ye mfe ene social media sema ye ken slay queens na woso no bibia e behu bia they portray themselves say eno no omo ye adwuma no omo anya. But sometimes I ask myself emudodo sempo na be kire ye say adwuma we mpo and me and they always go like online business and and then you want to be like them. Well, upesa wo yet say or no, be yourself. Nyagidie wo wumu kache wo sa de we me pagya na me de ko ha na me ko kache say me to no one city nefa wa no kasa kire ne say wonum a say ni say mani hu nipa e wa de animu nefa 2 cedis kan by the time obeton 10 no when you 10 cedis enti ene se nyama 2 na wo to ya o chena obeto 10 kakra no you go forward.
Wow, thank you so much. Miss Benedicta. Bene.
Okay. Me de nyama kan me apart from nyama me being hard working, I don't know what else I can survive me as a woman. Because me to say I'm going for so be cho muska ba me dey be mama same. Everything I have been able to achieve apart from God, the rest is what I have been able to do with my hands, with my brain as a woman. Meaning bibia apart from that. So to be able to sustain as a young lady, you have to be confident.
Now, one of enough to survive the country.
No. No.
Salary.
I was telling a friend, say, Mindo be a payroll, so say me what told me we no for me one home fair. No, I've never been paid.
Hey, shine I'm fine you. Me hips in your nothing.
No, I've never been paid because I have a physical look as a woman. I'm able to get whatever I get through the work I do with my hands. So as a young lady, you have to be confident. You have to be hardworking. You know, one thing I need to say, you know, I have a business. My fine young lady, so we age my womb.
And your obre
Obiba no biba unity. Then in panage number. Na mano 100 200 300 obi wan se wejaye ejuma
na say we dey na de be mano we also be using it so
wejaye ejuma. So if me pe wasem na my phone me bisa o say and then sanka me dey ma to ejuma no moda. So if you are getting 100 Ghana from someone say washa obokra so de be ma no wu let's assuming the person is so loyal to you that he or she is going to be there for you. What about Zowuswe? Obey then your life has to come to a standstill because a fellow human being and a mere creative both of us is not there. So you have to be hardworking and you have to be moderate as well. You know, won't be nyanya obiana wundininia and then me matter bone straight. If me shania me wa
bone straight is mission 10 years.
Yeah, me shania me wa. I've taken about 1% and a mediato. my 90% is there.
And so be saving if you can in Adia Koto Street.
Michelle, obey the who's a media. Me ba na makwaje sempa from me na me ba me ya bro.
So they take.
Yes, so nia wo won ma wani so na wo yes say yeah mbai me I always me weakness ne me ade ya me mbobo. Te ya sometimes asem kran fa me hu abare bi twetwe mu na nyama bi nkoyi na ma frɛ no. Wo betu ne fo wo de wo mistake ha unye ya wenye obi anhwe no wo de tu ne fo kro wi akra de ocha na wo te abonten ye twemu ana oka what would they den say a man in your mistake now no so and as a business person just last year I made me call social media. I was not social media person. It's me when it comes about social media all that I do me call me your friend said me mama gina ho ma chia me to kakra me twa me picture kakra me ko edwom na me nya hia na me view so it's one guy who was like, Madam, I've checked you on all the social media platform and me who I'm quiet them because I'm any radical. I don't have patience for that. Say you are kwalabia obitoman ni dinner or the social media. I say no, you have to go. And I went there because of my business. I went there with a positive mind, and because of that, it's hearing results because that's the main reason I went there. Into me, my foot took a cram it once as well. You have to be hardworking, sister. I can just get out and see whatever I want to buy and I buy. If I later want to demand the money from somebody, fine. But I should be able to take my own money to provide for myself. So who dey now the mama no extra and one idea ba ko so won say juma. Sister, bema be to me imposing you choose someone whom you want to go out with. One can say humo brontino, what they men fanesa, yen
settle for less.
No, men fanesa. Because a scanner would they me I'm working and Sebi also mean the D and them kwa. The little that I'm able to do, I can feed on. And I'm working every day. So if I'm working every day, I will eat every day. So you adding up to it is a plus. To me, dear. Tell me catch your beer, me catch any beer. Everything you see, me phone, I buy it with my own money. 14 bana me se meto. If I don't want to buy, I won't buy. And yes, you have to give me conditions before I will change my phone. I will change my phone if I want to because I work and God take care of me. See me there is no magic.
I see.
And I come from beginning, Obiantria me come because just imagine, I have a daughter. When I see the way she's growing beautiful, now mommy who said no, I need to
step up again.
Yes, because on one kwala me wo no na say on a nam way. Say be oyini hu na ohwe ne ho flat to me the hips and everything, and you sit there as a young woman and you are depending on your looks for how long? To me, obi you lucky, but me I'm not lucky. Say be me hwe me.
Lucky, mommy.
Be lucky. I
think
lucky for no
as women in business, we have a lot of challenges. The challenges are enormous. They are huge. First of all, enyo bia na onya sikadi start a business. So accessing funding is one.
Eno mami eno no chiremu ye haya Adom.
Accessing funding. We say oton ekutu. Let me come down to yes. Anka. But up 50 cedi de aton I started anka no. Onyo bia ma no. Our goal say oton anka na we move to ebia
Kube.
Yes.
But
how does she access funding to start the orange?
Na me kwa question aka me ba bebusa ma me ntwa no. Question am ba bebusa na one sanity answer pe na me busa say e be dey na a young woman na wotie ye no wenye sika e dey a business as how much is even needed.
Our dreams, our aspirations, our goals, but the money to start is not there.
Okay.
Such a person, what do you do? I believe, say, let me start this example. We were feeling a baby boy me gate. Very pretty girl, but so see me near my mommy.
Wow.
And or a graduate.
Hey.
Yes, an airway girl. And the fact that she's a graduate and she's gone to that level just to raise 500 Ghana cedi to start business.
Who say?
I gave her my things to wash, all right, but I want to make her responsible and give her the 500 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
So it's not only about going to access fund from the bank. You can do any maniac job, cleaning, anything.
Mommy, I don't know.
Then how do you survive?
Me busa young girl be say. O siti mama ho chenam so okay. E den na person e. Oh, me pese me tina cosmetic shop. Me cosmetic shop. Na me ko Lagos. Na me ko US. Na me say, "Hey, would you have a passport?" Now you say so person ko US.
No, sweetheart,
hey, any would dreams we dem pacho. Fako baby foforo.
So we have challenges as women in business. Yeah. And you'll be on a bank akaji loan. But as a young lady, you have to know, so you have to start from somewhere. Now, when you get there, you still have a challenge. You are struggling between family and work. Now, you are late for 2 and 3 years. One you be so banamo, but that's what I'm saying.
So a lot of women, mommy, a lot of women say omo ewiase. Na ebi omo industry be a boomia. Omo den so omo benyem. Because so say the moment of benyem no wake echiri.
But you have to train your employees or workers in a way say they'll be able to work. But when you are there, you want to do everything as the boss.
Mommy, aside that, flip the coin. Also, when we employee, you know, and a one year so you might even lose. Obebana boss no crowd will be as one name.
Exactly. Because I'm to mean trial.
Me woman have to pay sitima. Pass a many party obwa. So it's all my worry.
So it all boils down to planning. Answer now about Nielsen also was saving enough. You should know say Obebano the space no is gone. So okay, me call war. I'm a banner anywhere. This one that I've saved, this is what I'm going to start. It's about planning. We can all survive. Except 11 aba, as I say, my jai momo sending because me send when here. So the sushi could be before mean to me. And you see, you can survive as a woman when you have good planning. You have to plan, but you should know, say, if you have to do, excuse me, quote and unquote, dirty work to raise the money to get there, you have to do
Mommy,
it.
Dirty work in the end, make us say, obi or no, me he. Minya American visa, but no so person or ton ade no to kwa America ko fa nku ne ba. Any say near spirit or no mentality na ekuta no. It's even beyond me. Inti me anything. As and I'm so happy say wo ka say, you starting wo baby. Sanka na person o ton e bia na o eni so ade hunu so in the future or so build a fruit factory.
Sure.
We start with anka.
Sir.
Now I graduate here bakaka na afi odi gu bottle mu afi dey do baby when you start a big blender when you better no ato a big machine
yes
when you better na we see factory afi dey na afi dey obi ate
so you need to have a plan and a goal
steps
that's all
but see how you to know or no fit your person see factory
timaunim lady biba me ho young lady now say madam pese me yet say wo and am bisan say kwan bensu no see say dia we madam me area me wono I belong to Ghana Hairdressers and Beauticians Association and me zone I'm the president nti me say me ko baby no me ba chair lady na che say me kasa em say eh ne fana me say ne na ye wo fi o see say dia ye bo me din ye na me say but baby me fi ba na de me call ho no wa dwen call
dabi omo pe the bright side
well and me say wo pese o ye dia wo passion for ejuma na metro for free or see you what and I'm a fan winning and so for say your ba shop na your bed dress na your bet na se na client buy your cross your nine na yeah I don't know wow I know was saloon mu sounds was saloon nti no obeye ni tea for free na just what dress also person you say me enti na just no so bed dress bi ye kwa na just no so na am catch say no client buy na ni buefu yes client na ni buefu sometimes me inside me hu nipa na eba no ba me run the doors nti hwe me run me te say the baby ba ko bi ba o se me le to me ka bagbana na me nim say obi kra na eba we hu no and no am say you said you want to be like me when baby start free here me manu e mon kete a me kosua kete kra ma checheda yes ene di ya bedu baby a yedui na se wahu mi madani leader wo baby ene ye frefre mi a eye bibi omofo so omuhu wo mi mu ejuma na me ye no omofo se etumpo akọ level bi a I deserve to be that leader and omode maame enti so person yes want to me esu ejuma no wejai enti ne ye picky omo sometimes no bia na ye di omuska we just want media me to me hu si wo say ma sorry kra me now so wo ho wa wo be wie school ana ompe school ope hairdressing kwa dia ombra me kire no ne ope wo mu bia me kire no for free they will come and then within 6 months 8 months they are gone because oni obi anka say ye wa correct ne kakra ni buefu enti ene nkola na aba no sikadie kese young boys na aba ne saka wane wo kasa kese no mutine mu ni ade no ho na ye omu focus I want to be waste time okra. And today we had a meeting, my members were saying 3 years na edi chire juma no kra ye nte so e doso dodo na ye mbra be 2 months because obi ba 6 months young girl no be ba wo che na juma no te 4x4 mu madam na wo ba no nam form yes into expect say wo friend kra na wo be ka say kobu nsi obra say wo ni pipe wo chese untumi nkanche ni say shop why e finti no ompra no e wo say wo say madam yes e wo say ohun mo na mo say
madam no so ba no so onji because me madam fu bi ono so wo shop wo ba na say wo be ye ohun say ha wo be ka just say unsin me shop ha because I'm not worthy to teach you enti ko pay baby foforo ni enchi
enti no ye de ye bo ma ne pa yanka na enye bi de bia na ye gisika ye we bi mo ye hu omo na ye kra to yakoma so say wo passion and then I was talking to a lady in my house or train results na wa nursing training na me catch my employee girl bi me no see am share me the test ne keke enti ye din okay good English just me employee just 2 weeks or say 1 week ni and I'm saying enti ye no see no din komo ka brofo na social media oni mu na I'm say bitch ni din bichik na I'm say Gloria bichik go school do you know see madam me na so hey I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
And I'm say nene we den wa ha we nurse dey obepay den wa say madam me we school for 5 good years na ye mfrɛ me kram post me onya adwuma nti onya adwen sɛ owo school no ne mate bi ma me ye se adwuma ne na akola na esua na obode nti obesko ye mom kakra ka na ogiska nti onya interest wo mo no su kosua ni so na o say for over 7 years no eno ano de aye adwuma and she is doing well. She's doing very well. It's such a person.
She will survive.
Yes.
Mommy, and I say well to me who say neni abre. You want more vision. To say that or no vision. Into or no, ejuma bia obey. To say mommy she graduate or buy say obe sinyama. Graduate say na be or no kwa or graduate o niska no po bia manesi or no nyama. What you say? Into I think say a hard work, dedication, consistency, and a vision. Only baby a okodia. You can't say pra be pra.
Yes.
Because you know what you can get.
No, only say how a step.
Thank you. It is our mindset now. Say your but so again youth no adwenimo. It's emrebe na wo hia be ma support. Emrebe, Madam Collins. Miss ACM.
Me before I will support somebody. The first
no, me
thing,
say
embrebe na ube him be my support. And me kama me ho say me
nyo
kra me
papa
no.
Nyo papa.
Okay, and me ka say me kra me your ba no. Me support you be no unless I see say you are supporting yourself. So support comes in.
Make a war ba no. Emrebe na ube hia be ma support.
Ube hia be ma support. Na one kasa wo support wo ho dada.
Into your business no. Emrebe na wo hia ube hia be ma support.
You know it depends.
Emre ni da so nyina sa no. Tonyo mama.
It depends. Obi o ha woni ne nam a me or nimpa me ne ko out. Wako school we university nia o support me ewo eye na dwen ni nim dia wako school intino edru baby na me manage bibi nya I'm frustrated make us say calm down
basika fem de
oh like both it can be some me kura misika but what I want to do no message but ono no wako school no ya accountant intino or the na dwen mame na mitia ade anka mekwa cost spend 10,000 won ho no I end up some save 2,000 me the 2,000 me dey until o ma mi sika kra na
wa ma wa de
sika
yeah Nimdie. Knowledge.
Odi amame no.
Intellectual property.
There will be a day maybe no ni mabrabomba we imparted the knowledge in me. He can't take it back again.
Thank you.
It can be say me set up a business, a new business. Maybe my budget here 10,000. Me kwani hona me catch and say me nko kan and say me to him or be mama is come mama. Obe catch am say me family say me family kwata sam so. You know, because onim say me to me to him no. So as me as an entrepreneur, the best your friend is a help I've been able to get from a man advice.
Okay.
How I carry myself as a woman.
But I wouldn't say you're entrepreneur for na bia. Omo no asika. And you say advice. They are also dating big men for money to stir their business. It's ube huamo. Normal catch. So I started with 100 CDs. I started with this. No more feature. No more kojiska. No more mansions. It's a gay see who am I. Hey, the Lord is my shepherd.
I can speak for myself.
I'm not saying you. I'm just saying.
So that's what I'm saying. Is me. I can speak for myself. And you know, your social media. Everybody who knows me, I'm a business person. I'm go-getter. You know, like from school, and I started business. And
the school now turn shit on.
School now me turn toffee. Me your school na me train because ton ade no am de toffee for ha na me de ama nti wonim omutimi free me toffee na yes am ye ton wo class it is a me train na mba me train wo be hunzi ya fo we cha ko ka kire teacher bi say wo ton toffee nti ane e be na nti a wo de ne ka bi en fama no
yes
yes ton and I made ton what to be your discover me on fan by into no to me Jenny Day. Oh yes, I would Jenny, your medical report it. Then you over Tom Berry and is a class in year 50 be 20 dear Wunya Waboka. Into no like me brabo muns and all kind of because I say practicals, you know, and yeah easy so bet to me I can't like how the life has been, you know, the good, the bad. And yet, you know, I can't tell my success story 100%. I may lie. Ebi also cry me rebefi. And you know, one thing so I say, young lady be who say there is a failure. Ye will be your friend is a wash yase. And ya wajin say start ya no ube pija. Me start ye me call FC as she was saying. Sisia na beautician school ebu. Then you can't go to FC.
Hey, no, I mean it's counting.
No, about 15 years ago, you can't go to FC. You can't because when you know what would you wouldn't be. But someone said the amount want to say kotobi na fabe show. Inti ube yo bitia wa ubotomo. Inti ano asani awo kano wouldn't butaya. You can't go there as well. Because school net because me in shetty it really limit so you are telling me so I mean come for be na me function but wonim nia ewo weni so a obeye so obeto kanda na excuse me obeba no na nkofo people just come there purposely omunim say ebe yo muti amom into obi to me dress obi wakọ FCB can say this obi to me dress obeba na obi address shatade no si wo ye makeup class ho oh, it's true. Obi wakọ FCB. Ukọ si ekoye ni ti oho. Ubekọ na oye nails oho.
Pedicure.
Bibi oho. Iti no.
Practicals.
Ubeye ni nia di amano. Inti sisi a di aye we nka first no kwa FC entrance. Ubekọ na eho ni ni aye ma. They are waiting the most difficult and annoying parts. Me ade. Or no one for free.
Say the name of your marking, no.
Say examination list mistake. Now from pay now say it in a sister. Obi better unkan we FC wo. I quite remember me mate be kofo obi. No ye ni practical so shenensa. Into the grow no guswa. Say won't me also for the grow to spread. And no ye mistake no then in sako fast. Na sister ye three lady insane. Ye three. And insane na aka me sister so say okọ baby hey me madam so say e ma ye mfa nche dissolve mu e kwan ye be fo so ye be twe yen say free hey sister ade ye ni free no school that year no bi ate yenka sa group no intino ni no one femu and one thing about your school is say Untumi nko KFC we dre a wo fom because you call everybody auntie. Everybody is called auntie. Akwalao, baby, auntie mpacho minye say, oh, be ya ade free amani mpa. Auntie mpacho tena ho mami. Auntie mpacho yan kona me kwa your makeup ma. Inti abotre. Ese won sai mo butaye because wo do sika ya ade amobi wunni baby e be kwa akosi. You are doing it. So like a circle. So you need to have patience.
I see.
Ban kofo bebreye ni abotre medjumem say me de vacancy aboho. Nkofo apply for job sister. Eya me yese me kwa kwotena ho na metie no. Enye se me bu na enim tie se me mfa na adwuma sister. Wo de ne betena ho. Wo betre no our do's and don'ts of the company. Maybe nyama bi ho kra onim wa cheche nani so. O time ono pebe adwuma. Opa ombe adwuma omfra wo nka bibia amfa nkyerɛw. Na ye Ghana edan snete for ba me ho that I need to pay snete for my workers. I said somebody only now call agreement. Those on the beautician field, you know, we don't know what is called agreements. We didn't not sign a contract. Say me no we year more 1 year. Or to me die just like that. Obe man who him say my employee will be we no ni ho. And adwumane say we yeti mu say wo fa na adwuma na or ni motive customer be aba no wia ne ho gye ne number. No wia ne ho gye ne number. No me say me tie sister ya me dom ska bia me mbie adwuma. I will not. I will prefer to go and work because I then say when I will be a Jumano, worker is earning more than you. I'm telling you.
Yes.
Or earning more than you. Or the customers nama. Ukasa ubebano maybe oye bibi ubebano be a customer crow about shop no show two because your worker waka bibi a soon be sao. Or free one or fresh from Pacho me free ho me kwa another shop. You know, so you employing
talk on waji customers.
Oh sister, waji da. Obi to me crack say oba shop. Madam Bejo 20. Me make you baba be 10. Hey, customers sister, waji customers ni na mania e do off day no. Obekwa koyo muti ni ama ti anko beba ye 100 no. Ye betu ono no ka wo me yetua shop rent wo me yetua VAT, yetua snacks no. Ono se okoji 50 Ghana. And the customer will just agree to it.
Yes.
Onim so about betina esimu. And onim the danger of omo bisukraba ni fie. Because onim nimpa no baby, you just came to the shop to meet him.
Yes, mo.
Well, you know, is this adding?
I think Tima, you asked a question. See, at what stage now? You hear Obama or your life. I think it's individual differences. I want to cite my experience as an example. Omo farming saso aba for business advice, and so me I give business ideas and I write business plan. Okay, now they come to you, they have their ideas, they are married women. Oba say I don't know man on air to her a rich, but because we are Warren and she's limited in doing so many things to raise funds. Sane pano on yanikun. Idea ni ya okay mano. Wa worry. Ni ma be want to me koye. Want to ko po bi fie. Since me want to me koye jantra. And I was saying kuno manisika. People come to me to learn cooking. Wa worry. Opeso koye ejuma. Ni kuno see men koye ejuma. Such a person needs the husband more because marriage is like a ladder. Who be man who fru no do 3 na watch wife I do 2. Who do for another 3 because who patre na who better for ma on no share wase on no be so it means that who obema no who oba na be hwe nkora na ko school im nkora ni na ko international school you don't want her to work no she needs your money as a married woman to start a business so that enel koda na wan sorry oba hwe nkora so oba bia needs support from the husband or the boyfriend. I might be in business. Minyanka, a group of companies. A group of companies. Baby, I'm a hondi ensu. And as a woman, again, you are limited in doing so many things. Especially when you find yourself into men-dominated a business. Would you want NG? Or be man or so mausika? Edika home and snow betumpon. Seriously. Yes, Ube feel say as Bene was saying, oh no, when a man that one is sick, but trust me, it is not enough. She can do better.
Yeah,
she can do better when a ne the born and you see jiwe fashion.
I agree.
So we are women, we are African women. We are there. You need obema sika to push you.
Yes.
So na yebi.
Na obema sika sa bema no so no ni bie.
Yeah.
Bia wa ukofa no kra no.
I don't know so for be on ni bitima.
Hey, mami. Asebe no wake
Ene so di udi na ema no.
Mami.
Tima. Enya bema sika nkwa na betumi epushi wo.
Me for me ba me say wakofa bema. Ene so woni ska kra o ye ejuma but want to me show we dwuma mu kina te se ne wo hwehwe no.
Yeah.
Eno so be den.
Oh, yeah, support.
Now you do don na say see aye do a say
bema ni tiri
na sisana excuse me.
You stingy men wo.
Mema. Ene ko say matia mema.
Mami na say mema ni bebre nisco hwe shy o de to ani hwe me producer. Wo de me producer.
Sai ho amani.
Wanyi waso adwobo. Mami, hey, wo be ya ba ye nya ayi o.
Ola bi so bia ne obema e bi won nsem.
Enye too much.
Enye too much. At least also support.
Tima.
Sa o ye be na uti wana oni oba wo ho na untumi support na. I don't know how you feel because you even being a woman no say oni wukunu anase wo mpena bi wo ho na uhu se ne ho akire no na uhwa say wo de otis oba foforo kwa boa na ebe ye wo ya wo oba no wo ne wukun wo ho na maybe like bibie si ne ho akire no wo kra na wo ye oba no wantumi amboa na otis e be ma foforo oba foforo aboa na ebe ye ode nti wo be ma so de esa won tena ho sa esa wanim nyamas nyame dia ma wo no kra no ba be je firi wunsem ene de ye no kra sister no matter how much I have I feel say petty things my man has to provide for me. It's honest true. Enya ni nia ba me feel say me wo mu anya ya no 3 months wo de 500 na fa ye wuti fa ye we eye ade a so ba unya ho to obi e ka ho no matter how you obi ka say me dem go scanty no me for obi no ni ska cry and ham is a lie.
Me pick a quick 3 calls. Hey, mama boy, mama skate.
Hey, sister. Hey.
0302216561 0302216562. Ebusi ankoma na ye dey. Hey, me ye man ka shine dey be port 12. Yeah. Yeah, so a boy na won to me at least once in a while. Ukunukra. It was so supportive. You remember nimbo a omo hwe ma omo scan so me date. Mo so nya yesu mo janka wani 1 2 3. Ani. Maybe. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Maule Johnny. I tell me small doing a check as you go do my thing.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, Fatima.
Me pacha udini baby I will free.
But a friend Rita, Macaja Station.
Rita Casamitio.
But the one to net and some palm with here for Yabisha.
Amen. Amen. Yes, yeah, that's it. Hello. Hello, darling. You're first saying.
Pacho, the first Mr. Nobody, me free Krubo Dumase.
Okay, Kasayetio.
Not Medamase. Mon come ya, Mudino, a family, her papa.
Sir?
Yes, me shoemaker. I'm a farmer for my mobile yemi, a juma, the chum juma. Obuha, what fellow can on school. In fact, can on farmer. When you 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, now when you send you see a pump, boy, you see more than for what I can. No, could be any dear. And you're fine.
Wow. Hello. Good evening. Pacho Bonite Mami why Mimraso.
Now what is that?
Adom now swear.
I'm going to be the question.
What say?
Me now worry. The way I
I mienu aware and about ye mienu so worry. Adentia. Eh, someone say audition and I shine. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, darling.
Good evening.
Good evening, Odoyo Kasayetio.
Oh, na me sure I'm fine. So much some kakra more can say me advice. Me some advice me.
Kasayetio.
No, me boy na wo now. Na me be wie juma no support me kakra na me be wie ye. So boy na me die shop. Se akana ka opese me mbra ne ho ka opese me mbra me ne ho. Na me so me ni apprentice no kwa na me juma ne. Se se mo chame den. Na me to me tine juma na ma me ye juma.
Me ba wo se waboa mo we bie shop.
Na me be ye wie juma me wo me 3 years ma me be ye wie juma no. E na oba me life mo. E na oba ma me pon me ho na o ye shop ma me. Ba se ka call se me mbra.
Brahe.
Ne ho wo fie.
Se shop na wutu ake yo. Asembe ni. Yeah, we so yentu enwio nti ebenden.
Because oh you good so na wakoya knock me be person worry me. Mam be say me ejuma nem.
Ene se so baba worry wo. Ene sweetie se woni ana wo mpe no.
Me pen no bam be say ejuma no so me do ejuma be say me ye ejuma.
Na worry ant me nya ejuma.
Oh ba so me na worry. No worry.
Hey sister, mommy worry kwa no 18. Where di say? Oh, shine. Woni ebusia topic way enso ye. Nti de ne se nyame ya adoma next week be part 2 of the same topic with the same set of women. Na because comment wa kra me to me read e na me time so aka 3 minutes pe ti me pamocho next week ye be part 2 of the same topic and no ye be sha se be bie phone lines no na fe yamaya ma me nom ne anuanom so akasa. How are you surviving Ghana today as a young woman? Ababa wa wesi so ekwan ben obi na ebie shop otuake enye easy. Team Pacho me final words. Quick. Na Cynthia Safosi, greetings to you. My name's Cynthia. Hi, darling. I really respond. I am for Frederick Justice. Good evening, Tima. I say it has been a long time. Oh, my back. Nyami Shamo. Champions League na yes, sir. Team Pacho there. Me final words. Till Obia 1 minute because next week back. Hey, I 1 minute. Any Pacho. Your final words, quick one.
Yo na me final one is baby and pebibinye because I'm obuopo eba ho obro no out so woni be matia or respect o pa.
The next you come by here how the phone number net so be person be
any. Yeah, be person oba bella ho Bella's beauty la me wada kuma no 054 89 21416.
Okay.
054 89 21416.
Next you go by by how ho odo.
Metumi aka no say ya ye mba so no ye hu obi na ye betumi aboa na ya aboa no because obi ahia mboa tu
e mema kwa ye mboa wo mu.
Yes, be na obeboa na
for number 2
pacho 0246722677 men's sports spa.
Thank you. Mommy, final words.
Me pamcho oba bia oye juma bako bia bako ema won survive. So we baako na we baako we 2 and 3 anye bia so kita sika na be say we start ejuma foforo ka ho awonim dia obeye no. That's what I do. I give business ideas. Me office or commercial bank hato commercial bank nenem obeso ba me office obeti ma frame on 020 386 9565.
Okay.
020 386 9565. Also see aduane nuan so ameti ma kire why asana wa me da se
me da se mema no so mu be see aduane nuan na ye bre am so ma support ye ti omo beba. Happy birthday to Priscilla Nashale Labi Awa Blekuma nyame ensure with favor and a good health and a prosperity. Amen. Priscilla yeah do na a very special happy Mother's Day to hard-working lovely mother Mrs. Naomi Amachi Awaka Swash Town. Oba David Osese Wodo pa na we Odo Papa Ben Mother's Day na Sunday mami uchina chana suma me pa. Happy belated happy Mother's Day to mothers in YENMMɔ pa. Me producer director Dr. Shine. Wanna get it show no together. And then me guess my the next week mo be say who mo have you ntia mamu nko baby e be part 2 of surviving in today's Ghana. African and a cha mi go ye e was social media. Na je ko de ojide wa ha uja ho na enyende wa retire na sa ha. E wo se amede mo sia me do mo pa nyame hwamo. Na ma film ye nti next week ye be say Asia me din Cynthia Tima ye